Hello everyone, hello Scorpio. This is your September career, business and money reading. So hope we have some awesome stuff here. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. And this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising. So you could check those videos as well. The messages could resonate with you, Scorpio. Let's see what you have, Scorpio. Sorry, I'll just pick up the cup. Okay, thank you. So now let's find out, Scorpio, what's in for Scorpio for September, career, business and money. First card, 10 of Wands, 10 of Rods. What? Too much of a workload, too much work that is causing you a lot of stress. You need to unburden yourself. Delegate your work to your subordinates. Do not do everything you have more than a handful that you can manage. So delegate your work to your subordinates, or this is the 10 of Wands card. So this is talking about your workload and stress. It's, I think, a very hectic and very hectic month for you work-wise, in business, in job. This is it. Let me see what's the clarify. Yeah, so it's about money situation here. So I think there's a money making opportunity here for some of you. It could be buying, selling houses, or buying, selling of houses, rentals. You are working on, basically you are working on a money situation. You are working for your foundation for future. You are working for to make wealth. This is like creating wealth, and it has been consistently going on. It's not like you are working in September. You have been working on this for quite few months. I started this channel and I have been getting this thing that you are working on your financial foundation. So I do remember. So it's like you're working for the 10 of Pentacles thing, that this could be buying, selling, or that could make a little more burdening, like visiting the sales office and going for registration. This is what I get: rental agreements, papers, needing your you already have a lot of things to do. It could be an additional. Also, this is like you have you want to earn more money for a secure financial future, so you are working towards that. So go slow, take care of your health. You don't have to be rushed, and delegate your work. This is what I get from this card. Be creative. You could also do yoga, meditation, and listen to music, do exercise, which will re-energize you, for further movement, for further growth, for further expansion. So if you are so tired now, how will the energy, you will not have that energy. You will be low in energy, you will be low so it won't give you the desired result. So unburden yourself. Money is definitely coming. 10 of Pentacles card. Whatever you are looking for, unburden yourself. Definitely you are going to reach the 10 of Pentacles situation. Don't worry, Scorpio. What else for Scorpio? Let's see. 10 of Pentacles. Also, I think your home, with this 10 of Pentacles card and this 10 of Wands, I feel your home, some of you, your home requires attention. Your home life, somebody at your home requires your attention. Maybe it's your immediate, wife, children, or extended family, or your parents. So that could be also an additional thing to take care of, which could talk about this 10 of Wands, like overburden, lot of effort needed. So it you might go for some renovation, or build something which is related to your home, family business. Some of you might also help in family business. So it's all talking about something to do with your home also. So what else for Scorpio here? Two of Rods, 2 of Wands. So it talks about you waiting and watching, for expansion, growth. This is for business people. how to grow, which area, it's also talking about traveling here. So you might go and travel, and just to see things around, whether the resources are enough or not, is it the right place to be there, will that get you what you want. So it's about waiting and watching where to go, where to make a move, so that you can get the success, that expansion that you are wanting for. So this is what I feel here. Let me take out there could be meetings, there could be what I see, there could be meetings, there could be collaborations, association. So you are with that, you are trying to figure out things. This is mainly for business people. Also in jobs, maybe the salesperson here, salespeople looking at new markets where they can get more clients. So this is talking about that. Now let me see the clarification. So Queen of Swords is that energy. So Queen of Swords is like you are now you are very clear with your thought what you want. So if it is this clarity has come, and then you are waiting for to take action, you are waiting to move forward here. So this clarity could be regarding a business situation. Some clarity has come to you, which you earlier it wasn't there. So Queen of Swords, you are very focused, you are very analytical, you are very focused, you have done all the calculations properly, and you're a fine businessman or businesswoman, and now you are waiting and watching things. So it's telling you that it's time to take action now, to move forward with your ideas. So this is what I get from this card. It could be business, it could be a job situation also. If you are waiting for interview to come back, some of you, if you have appeared for interview, a job offer, something, so you have got the clarity in situation, and this is the action time. What else for Scorpio here? Seven of Cups, options. It talks about you are having many options. Maybe in the business side, you may have so many people who want to partner, who would want partnership with you, or you wanting to be having partnership or association with them. So you have a lot of options here. For job seekers also, I feel some of you, this is for few of you, like having more than one option this in job situation, which to select. So this talks about your options here, and you are now looking at the options, which one to choose, which is going to be the best for you, which will work you towards abundance, which which will get you more money, which will get you handsome returns. So this is about the job and money situation here. Also it could be that maybe you are spending on luxuries, and there could be some heavy expenses also. Some of you spending on luxuries here, buying stuff for home, for your family, for you going to dinners, and also it also talks about expenses here. That is what I feel. Still will clarify what is that. Okay, so here we get this is like Seven of Swords energy. So you can see here that Seven of Swords, be careful. That is what it is, the card here. You need to be careful. Get realistic. This is for some of you here. Do not fall for there could be some cheating, deceit. If you see that lot of people are coming as an option to you, there could be certain hidden deals, there could be certain hidden things that you might not know. It's a sneaky energy. It is not something, these options that you see, not all might be real. So I feel here there could be something secret deal, something I feel you should move slowly. That's what it is. Take all the information, because these options are there, although it could be deceiving for some of you here. So be aware of secret deals. If at all you're this is not for all of you, this is for few of you here. So and also there could be somebody who could be acting smart and trying to find out things about your business, your situation, somebody spying. So I feel like that. So just be alert and focused here, Scorpio. This is somebody sneaking energy who is not who should not be welcome in your life. So one more card we pull out. King of Wands. So you have your King of Wands is about, this could be a fire or an air sign, and also in fire sign this is basically Leo person. So a Leo could be of great help. There could be something that you are an idea or a partnership coming from a Leo. It's talking about something you and this Leo working together, Scorpio, with a Leo person or any other fire sign, air sign. It's not specific, that specific, and it tells that this could also be your energy. Like you are very passionate, you are very fiery, you are very focused, you have the vision for growth, for success, you have a certain goal set. So you want to work towards, set your goals. That is also could be like, for those who have set your goals first, have a vision for yourself, stay focused, be passionate about your work. This is only going to get success. This is what I get with your card here. And it's sustained efforts that you will be putting in here. Let me clarify still this card, the Hierophant card with the, so Hierophant is about stability again, about gaining the ground. It's about also it could be some of you seeking spiritual solace, a person of, this is usually a Taurus card, so a Taurian could guide you to inner peace and happiness. Along with you have this King of Wands, so it's about a balance in your spiritual inner peace and outside ambition. So this is like you are having a balance in your ambitions and in your inner peace. This is what I get from this card. Or you are asked to maintain this balance. So it is about yoga, meditation, practicing or connecting with the divine in whatever ways you find, so that it eases your stress. You get that inner growth too, along with the success of your, the outer world, that money and fame and everything, growth. So it talks about both the growths here. This is what I get with the Hierophant card. And some of you here again, I feel, will be working on traditional way of business, the way you have been doing it. You will not go the unconventional or something new. You will work in a conventional way, the typical way, or maybe if you are doing investments, you will do it with fixed deposits. You will not take risky way of investing. So here this is what I get, getting fixed deposits or buying bonds or buying shares, which actually has generated wealth. So this is what, with rentals, buying properties, this is again what I feel here. With the Hierophant card and the King of Wands, there could be some of you might also plan to get married, or there could be a marriage in the family, and it will require a lot of money. So this is what I get here, Scorpio. So this is it here. I feel that you will, some of you are, I don't see a 10 of Pentacle card I see here. So it's about, already I told you, it's about leasing, rental, buying, selling. Some money coming from share market for some of you here, definitely. Just invest wisely, that is what I say. And beware of sneaky energy, beware of secret deals, beware of some sneaky person around you. That is what is the message here. Now I'll just pull up an angel guidance card here, Scorpio, for you, that will help you, smooth sail the month in a much better and successful way. So the first card, moving forward. So this is your card here, moving forward. Get ready for positive change. So definitely something really positive coming your way. Great, Scorpio. And one more card here, friendships. So this matters. So put your time and effort in friends. They are going to help you in your business, in your money situation, career situation. They could be your partners, they could be your associates. So this is what I get here. So nurture your relationship. This is what is the message from the card. This is it, Scorpio, for this month, and see you in the next reading, career, business, money reading. Till then, take care. Bye. Thanks for taking your time out and watching this video. Also, do subscribe to my channel if you like my readings, like and comment. Thank you so much.